Hi, welcome to Eminent Stock Trading. This is Ravi Teja. We have seen April month series is very volatile than March month due to the increase in COVID cases all over India, and so many states are imposing partial lockdowns which may impacts on the economy, and if economy impacts, it reflects on the stock market. Nifty opened at 14,800 in April month and touches the low of 14,150 and immediate shot up to 15,000 and closes at around 14,600. On monthly month close, Nifty not moved much, just closed at 170 points lower only. Now we will see Nifty daily chart. In this whole month, Nifty hugely corrected 4 times and shot up 3 times. After every fall, there was an immediate strong recovery. Almost these moves are more than 3% in very less trading sessions. And we observed that except last Monday, on every Monday, Nifty opened with huge gap down because of lockdown announcements on weekends. It is very difficult to traders to trade due to such a volatility in every week. If you know the adjustments and having enough capital, you can escape from the losses in this huge volatile situation and you can make good profits. I will show you our profit and loss statement of April month. This is zero the back office. Now I will show you profit and loss statement. We made a net profit of 7.44 lakhs in the April series. As you see, we also booked losses in every Monday due to the huge gap down. But still, we are able to adjust our positions and book the profit every week. This huge volatility may continue in May series also until the daily corona cases became flattened. And there are some positive news like Sputnik 5 came to India, and now India has 3 approved vaccines and government also increasing the vaccination. Remdesivir and oxygen facilities are increasing, so it may decrease in fatality rate. Many companies are declaring results. Till now, companies are not disappointed. If companies declaring good results, then it will become the good support to the market. If you are attentive about the market updates, then you are able to take quick actions and minimize your losses and make good profits. If you want real-time market updates, then follow our Eminent Stock Trading Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will meet in our next video. Until then, bye.